Did you know that JTS RV Supercenter is one of the largest RV parts and accessory stores here in Northeast Ohio? If you're looking for a perfect Valentine's Day gift for a special someone, you're in luck because we currently have parts and accessories on sale and plenty of new and used in-stock travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. So what are you waiting for? Stop on in and pick up a camping gift like this heated love seat or a new RV today here at JTS RV Supercenter, Jayco's #1 dealership in North America for customer service.